Welcome. If you're tired of getting those constant Pinterest announcement emails cluttering your inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to turn off Pinterest announcement email notifications so you can enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox. This guide is fully updated for 2025, so let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can manage all your settings. Next, look at the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your account options and give you access to more settings. Now, scroll down until you find the notification option. Tap on it to enter the notification settings menu. Here, you'll see all the different ways Pinterest keeps you updated, from activity alerts to recommendations. Under the Others section, look for Pinterest announcements. This is where Pinterest sends you updates about new features, company news, and other announcements that might not be directly related to your pins or boards. Tap on Pinterest announcements to open the notification preferences for this category. You'll see several options for how you want to receive these notifications: push, email, or both. To stop getting announcement emails, simply toggle off the email option. Once you do this, Pinterest will stop sending you announcement emails, but you'll still have the option to receive notifications through the app if you want. And that's it. You've just taken control of your Pinterest notifications and made sure your email stays free from unnecessary updates. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and turn the email notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.